Hello everyone, Miss Thomas's assistant here. Today we will be working on the fundamental counting principle. So, the fundamental counting principle is the total number of ways that multiple events with multiple unique outcomes can occur is found by multiplying the total number... It's found by multiplying the total number or outcomes together. For example, how many outfits can be created from 6 shirts, 2 pants, and 3 pairs of shoes?
Miss Thomas here. All you have to do is take 6 times 2 times 3 to find out that 36 outfits, which I'm sure look great together, can be made.
Now for you try. Recently, Apple changed from a 4-digit pin to a 6-digit pin. How many more pin